Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the smallest limited edition beauty box or beauty bag to share with you, and it's from SpaceNK. This is the Summer Prep Edit. It's super tiny. As well as this one, which is a bag of summer essential mini products. They have brought out 3 travel edits. They cost £80. They have a value of over £200, and there's a lot more products in there. So if you're interested in getting this for yourself or any of the travel edits, I'll pop a link to them all down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look. And also you'll see all my other discount codes and offers as well. So it costs £35 and it has a value of £80, and there's free shipping as well. Now, SpaceNK do have a code, which is first15. So if you're new to shopping on SpaceNK, then you get 15% off. But if I can find any other codes, then I'll let you know. But I love these little bags. They're cute, aren't they? I have got an obsession with bags, though. I just can't get rid of them. And then my daughter's like, Mum, you have to. There's no point you having like 20, 30 different bags. But I like this one because it's so small. Maybe this will become my little jewellery bag for when I go away. That's perfect size, isn't it? So look, packed full of products. Well, there's 5 products in here. Let's start off then with a brand I've never seen before and I have never said out loud. Kulfi. I'm sure it's Kulfi. Lip Snack Glossing Lip Balm, Coconut Chum. There, what would you say that is? It's Kulfi. Anyway, this is in Coconut Chum. It's a glossing lip balm. Nice packaging. Oh, look. The colour looks nice as well. Or it looks like it will be nice. Ooh. Yes, look at that. Oh, that is really pretty. Yeah, I like that. Oh, it has a subtle smell. Subtle chocolatey smell to it. I'm not sure if it's supposed to. Lip Snack. Coconut. No, it doesn't smell of coconut. Oh, maybe it does. Oh, I don't know. It's nice anyway. Yeah, I really like that. That's lovely. Let's try a little bit there on it. There. Nice glossy lips. Then we got Summer Fridays. This is Jet Lag Eye Patches. 1 pair there. These hydrating non-slip hydrogel eye patches powered by skin-loving ingredients help hydrate and soothe dry skin and depuff the look of the under eye area. They help leave the under eye refreshed, moisturized, and have a non-sticky afterfeel. I'm going back to Greece just for a couple of days on my own to meet some friends soon, so I might take those with me. I am just feeling a bit run down at the minute. I've just mentioned in a previous video, I'm sure I've got allergies because of something in the house. I'm fine when I leave the house. I was completely fine when I was in Greece, and when I went to a local festival a couple of weeks ago, the big retreat where I live, I was fine then too. When I'm home, I just feel like as if I could have hay fever, but it's fine when I'm outside, so I don't know what's going on. But I really crave something like this, so I think that would be so nice to put on my face. Actually, a nice cold mask. I might do it tonight. This is Rare Beauty and a Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel. It's clear. It's a weightless clear brow gel that shapes, lifts and sets all day with a flexible hold that's never stiff, sticky or crunchy. Funny enough, I love a stiff, sticky and crunchy brow gel because they're strong holding. I've got hardly any brows, but the ones that I do have are quite stubborn. They don't move much. Oh, this looks like a proper glue though, look. Yeah, I prefer it when they don't budge. It's quite sticky. I'll give that a go. Up to 12-hour wear. So yes, we've got a clear brow gel there. What else have we got? Oh, Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup is lovely. This is Cooling Water Jelly Tint in Spritz. This is a lip and cheek stain. A sheer jelly lip and cheek stain made with cooling seawater and aloe for a long-lasting wash or color. You can imagine, can't you, if you're hot? Oh, how lovely. I don't know if any of you remember this, but years and years ago, Avon had cooling sticks. They look like this, and they were clear, but they were like jelly-like, exactly like this, but clear, and you would just rub it everywhere that you wanted to cool down. I was obsessed with them. I don't know if they still do them. If they do, I will definitely buy it because I used to love it. Doesn't have a smell, but that does literally look like a lollipop, like you could lick it. Look at that. That is so nice. Right, let's put it down. Let's give it a go. What have I got there? What have I got there? Oh, the lip balm, isn't it? Right, let's put it. Whoa, okay. Oh, that is nice. It does. It feels so nice. Oh, I like that. Oh, you have to be really quick. It reminds me of the Tint by Benefit. That takes some getting used to. Okay, so you need to really, if I put it there, blend it out super far. Oh, wow. Okay, it does. Yeah. Yeah, that, you have to, it stains fast. Oh no. It's good in one aspect because it's not going to go anywhere, but not good if you can't blend. How would you do that? You just do a blob and blend out. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm a bit scared now of using it. I am a little bit scared. Shall I just try it? This is my last video. I'll try it on this cheek because I haven't done my thumbnails yet. So I can hide, I can look like this in my thumbnails. Right, okay, this is not... Right, you can see it there. It feels nice. It does feel nice to blend. Have I blended it? I can't tell. What, have I got a mirror here somewhere? I thought I did have a mirror. I flush really easily anyway. Yeah, I love the idea of this. It feels so nice. I love the colour as well. The colour is beautiful, but you have to be super quick to blend that. So a cooling water gel tint by Milk Makeup there. And then lastly, this is really nice. This is Ultraviolet SPF 50+ Supreme Screen Hydrating Facial Sunscreen. Broad spectrum, and there's 15 mils there. So like a sample. Yeah, that's a really nice sunscreen. I've used this many times and I love it when we get little minis like this. I love it if we have full-size versions, obviously, better. But yeah, I do like using that. And there you go. Those are all the items in the, what's it called again? In the summer prep edit. 5 products. We've got a Lip Snack Glossing Lip Balm. We've got a Flexing Lifting Clear Eyebrow Gel. We've got a Jelly Tint Lip and Cheek Stain. We've got some eye patches. And we've got an SPF 50. And they all come in this really super cute bag. It is so small. Yeah, it's definitely going to be my little jewellery bag from now on. For when I go away. Yeah, I love that. I think it's nice. It is on the pricier side, I think, because some of the products are quite small, but then it has a value of 80, so you are saving more than half price by getting it. What I like about it, and also SpaceNK edits in general, they contain beauty products that we don't normally see in other beauty boxes, like Cult Beauty and Look Fantastic and Glossy Box and things like that. Just tend to see different brands and products, which, yeah, is different, and I do like that. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? And do you think it is worth getting for £35? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.